Hello students, let's do some more questions on trigonometry. We have 1 plus sec square theta. We are taking left hand side. 1 plus sec square theta minus cos square theta. 1 upon what is sec? Reciprocal of cos. 1 upon cos square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 upon cos sec square theta. What is cos sec? Reciprocal of sine minus sine square theta into sine square theta cos square theta. This is our left hand side. We have to prove that this is equals to 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta upon 2 plus sine square theta cos square theta. Now in the denominator we have LCM cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta whole square plus 1 upon 1 minus sine square theta into sine square theta whole square into sine square theta upon into sine square theta cos square theta. This cos square theta will go in the numerator. We have cos square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta whole square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So we can write a whole square minus b whole square. A plus b, a minus b. 1 plus cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta plus sine square theta in the numerator. Here also we have in place of 1 we can write 1 square. A square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. 1 minus sine square theta into 1 plus sine square theta into sine square theta cos square theta. Now we have cos square theta upon 1 plus cos square theta, and what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sine square theta plus sine square theta upon 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta into 1 plus sine square theta into sine square theta cos square theta. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now what we will do? Taking LCM, what will be the LCM? 1 plus cos square theta into sine square theta, and we have cos square theta into 1 plus sine square theta. Here we have sine square theta into cos square theta. Now बच्चे, here in the denominator we have 1 plus cos square theta into sine square theta. What is left? Cos square theta and 1 plus sine square theta. We have cos square theta into cos square theta into 1 plus sine square theta. Here in the numerator we have sine square theta, and what else we will write? Sine square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. This sine square theta, cos square theta both get cancelled. Now what is left with us? Cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos की पावर 4 theta. Multiply cos की पावर 4 theta with 1. We have cos की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta into sine square theta. Cos 4 theta into sine square theta plus sine square theta into sine square theta. Sine की पावर 4 theta into 1. Sine की पावर 4 theta plus sine की पावर 4 theta into cos square theta upon, in the denominator we have 1 plus cos square theta into 1 plus sine square theta. Now what we will do? We will write cos की पावर 4 theta plus sin की पावर 4 theta together plus terms. What is common? Sin square theta, cos square theta. What is left? Cos square theta. And here we have sin square theta. And what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1 upon. Here 1 into 1, 1. 1 into sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1, cos square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta. Clear? Now we have term cos की power 4 theta plus sin की power 4 theta. If we have term a की power 4 plus b की power 4, we can write it as a square plus b square का whole square minus 2 times a square b square. We have done it many times. In place of cos की power 4 theta plus sin की power 4 theta, what we can write? Cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2 times cos square theta sin square theta plus here we have sin square theta cos square theta upon 1 plus, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 plus cos square theta sin square theta. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. It is a little lengthy question. Now again, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. 1 whole square is also 1 minus. Minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta plus 1 sin square theta cos square theta. What is left? Cos square theta sin square theta upon 2 plus cos square theta sin square theta, and this is equals to our right hand side. 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta into sin theta minus cos theta is equals to sec theta upon cosec square theta minus cosec theta upon sec square theta. We will take left hand side. 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and what is cot theta? Cos theta upon sin theta. In place of sin theta and cos theta, we will write the same terms. Now, what will be the LCM? Cos theta sin theta. Here we have cos theta sin theta plus sin theta into, in the denominator we have cos theta, we will multiply with sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus sin theta we already have in the denominator, we will multiply cos theta with cos theta, we will get cos square theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now बच्चे, look at this term. If we take sin theta as A and cos theta as B, what is this term? This term is AB plus A square plus B square, and here we have A minus B. This is the formula for A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube is A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. So, what we will get? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Got it? Upon cos theta sin theta. Now, we will have sin cube theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos cube theta upon cos theta sin theta. Sin theta and one sin theta get cancelled. Here one cos cancelled. What is left with us? Sin square theta upon cos theta. In the right hand side we have sec upon cosec square theta. Now What is sine? Reciprocal of cosec. In place of sine square theta, sine square theta can be written as 1 upon cosec square theta, because cosec is reciprocal of sine. And what is 1 upon cos? 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So in place of 1 upon cos, we can write sec theta, and sine square theta can be written as 1 upon cosec square theta. Here cos square theta can be written as 1 upon sec square theta, and sine theta can be written as, here we have sine theta, 1 upon sine theta. What is 1 upon sine? Cosec theta. So what we will get? Sec theta upon cosec square theta minus cosec theta upon sec square theta, which is equals to our right hand side. Cot square theta into sec theta minus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta equals to sec square theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sec theta. Let's take left hand side first. Cot square theta can be written as cos square theta upon sine square theta into sec theta. Sec is 1 upon cos minus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. So we have cos square theta upon sine square theta. LCM is cos theta. We have 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. Now bache, this cos theta and 1 cos theta get cancelled. We can write 1 minus cos theta upon sine square theta and 1 plus sine theta, and we have 1 cos theta also. Now bache, sine square theta can be written as, we have 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. In place of sine square theta, what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta. This is equals to sine square theta, and we have 1 plus sine theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta, which is a square minus b square. So we will have 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, and here we have 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta both get cancelled. What is left with us? Cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. Now let's check our right hand side. This is in the form of sec. Now what we will do? Bache, pause the video and note it down. In this case, let's take right hand side and try to solve it. In our right hand side, we have sec square theta. What is sec? Reciprocal of cos. We can write 1 upon cos square theta. And here we have 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus sec theta. What is sec? 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. In the numerator we have 1 minus sine theta. Here cos theta is the LCM. This is cos theta plus 1. This cos theta will go in the numerator. We have cos theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 minus sine square theta. 1 can be written as 1 square. A square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. We have 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sin theta, and here we have cos theta plus 1. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, both get cancelled. What is left with us? Cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta, and cos theta plus 1 can be written as 1 plus cos theta. So, on solving our right hand side, we get the same answer as we got in left hand side. So, we will conclude that left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence, we have proved our answer. Tan A plus tan B upon cot A plus cot B equals to tan A tan B. Taking left hand side. In most of the questions, in place of tan, we can write sin A upon cos A. But in this case, right hand side is also in the form of tan. So there is no need to change the tan in the form of sin and cos. We will write tan A plus tan A. What about cot A? Cot is reciprocal of tan. So in place of cot A, we can write 1 upon tan A plus 1 upon tan B. We have tan A plus tan B upon LCM is tan A tan B. Here tan A we have, we will multiply 1 with tan B plus here we will get tan A. This term tan A tan B will go in the numerator. We have tan A plus tan B into tan A tan B upon, in the denominator we will have tan B plus tan A. Tan A plus tan B or tan B plus tan A, one and the same thing. What is left with us? Tan A tan B, and which is equals to our right hand side. Cot cube theta into sin cube theta upon cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus tan cube theta into cos cube theta upon cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equals to sec theta cosec theta minus 1 upon cosec theta plus sec theta. Let's take left hand side first. What is cot? Sin upon cos, cos upon sin. In place of cot cube theta, we can write cos cube theta upon sin cube theta into sin cube theta upon. These terms are in the form of sin and cos. Write it as it is plus. Tan cube theta can be written as sin cube theta upon cos cube theta into cos cube theta upon cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Sin cube theta cancelled, cos cube theta cancelled. In both the cases, the denominator is same. So if we take LCM, that will be cos theta plus sin theta whole square, and in the numerator we will have cos cube theta plus sin cube theta. And what is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Here we have cos theta plus sin theta and cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta whole square. This one term cancelled. We have cos theta plus sin theta whole square. It means cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. One term is cancelled. We have left with cos theta plus sin theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? This is equals to 1. We have 1 minus cos theta sin theta upon, in the denominator we have cos theta plus sin theta. Now look at right hand side. This is in the form of secant cos sec. Now what we will do, let's take right hand side. Pause the video and note it down. Let's take right hand side. This we have got from left hand side. Right hand side is sec theta. What is sec? 1 upon cos theta into cos sec is 1 upon sin theta minus 1 upon cos sec theta is 1 upon sin theta plus sec is 1 upon cos theta. LCM is cos theta sin theta. Here we have 1 minus cos theta sin theta upon, in the denominator LCM will be sin theta cos theta, and here we have cos theta plus sin theta. Both the denominators get cancelled. What is left with us? 1 minus cos theta sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Hence, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we have proved our answer. If m sin theta plus equals to n cos theta, we have to show that we have two parts of this question. Part 1 is show that tan theta plus cot theta upon tan theta minus cot theta is equals to n square plus m square upon n square minus m square. Let's do part 1. We have m sin theta equals to n cos theta. If we take cos on the left hand side and m on the right hand side, what we will get? Sin theta upon cos theta equals to n upon m. And what is sin upon cos? Tan theta is equals to n upon m. So in place of tan theta, we will write n upon m plus, what is cot? Reciprocal of tan. So we will write m upon n upon, in place of tan theta, n upon m minus m upon n. LCM is mn. We have m in the denominator, n multiplied by n square plus m square upon, again LCM is mn. We will have n square minus m square. Both the denominators get cancelled. What is left with us? N square plus m square upon n square minus m square, which is equals to right hand side. First part is proved. Pause the video and note it down. Let's do part 2. In part 2, what we have to prove? N sin theta plus m cos theta upon n sin theta minus m cos theta is equals to n square plus m square upon n square minus m square. This is part 2. Take left hand side. What is given? M sin theta equals to n cos theta. Sin theta can be written as n upon m cos theta. In place of sin theta, we have n into sin theta. Sin theta can be written as n upon m cos theta plus m cos theta we have written as it is upon n into sin theta is n upon m cos theta minus m cos theta. What is common in these two terms? Cos theta is common. What is left? N square upon m plus m upon cos theta is common. What is left? N square upon m minus m. Cos theta get cancelled. Here what is LCM? M. We have n square plus m into m square upon. Again the LCM is m. We will have n square minus m square. M and m get cancelled. we have n square plus m square upon n square minus m square, which is equals to right hand side. Prove that 2 times sec square theta minus sec 4 theta minus 2 times cos sec square theta plus cos sec की पावर 4 theta equals to cot की पावर 4 theta minus tan की पावर 4 theta. Take these two terms. What is common? Sec square theta is common. What is left? 2 minus sec square theta minus. What is common in these two terms? Cos sec square theta. What is left with us? 2. Because we have taken minus sign outside, the sign inside will change. Cos sec square theta. We are taking left hand side. Now, in our right hand side we have terms cot and tan. We have an identity 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta as cos sec square theta. In place of sec square theta, what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta. Here 2 minus, in place of sec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta minus. What is cos sec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. And here 2 minus, in place of cos sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. So we have 1 plus tan square theta into 2 minus 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta into 2 minus 1 minus cot square theta. We have 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta and 1 minus cot square theta. 1 can be written as 1 whole square. No need. If we write it as a plus b and here we have a minus b, what is a plus b? A minus b. A whole square minus b whole square. We can write 1 square minus tan square theta whole square minus 1 plus cot square theta, 1 minus cot square theta. A plus b, a minus b. A whole square minus b whole square. We have 1 minus tan की पावर 4 theta minus 1 sign outside inside will change, cot की पावर 4 theta, 1 and 1 both get cancelled, 1 minus 1 0. We have cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta, which is equals to right hand